Most people believe visibility is the goal. Be seen more, be heard more, be everywhere. Calm professionals take a different path. They don't chase visibility, yet they still end up with influence, authority, and leverage. This isn't accidental, it's structural. Visibility feels like momentum. But it often replaces progress with performance. You become busy maintaining attention instead of building advantage. Calm professionals are careful about where attention flows, especially their own. People chase visibility to avoid being forgotten, to prove relevance, to feel secure. Calm professionals don't operate from fear of obscurity. They operate from confidence in trajectory. Leverage comes from position, not exposure. A well-placed decision outperforms 1,000 visible actions. Calm professionals prioritize where efforts compounds, not where it's seen. More visibility means more opinions, more feedback, more distraction. Calm professionals protect clarity by limiting unnecessary exposure. They don't need everyone's watching, only the right outcomes forming. Early progress is fragile. It grows best without scrutiny. Calm professionals allow ideas, skills, and systems to mature privately before exposing them publicly. When results accumulate quietly, attention arrives naturally. Calm professionals don't announce readiness. They wait until demand appears. This creates pull instead of push. Visibility invites ranking, comparison invites ego. Ego distorts judgment. Calm professionals avoid this trap by staying focused on their own slope, not someone else's stage. Calm professionals are not invisible forever. They are selective. They step forward when it creates leverage, not when it satisfies impatience. Timing turns visibility into authority. When calm professionals become visible, they arrive with substance. They don't need to convince, they demonstrate. This makes authority durable. Visibility is not bad. It's just dangerous when used too early. Calm professionals use visibility after leverage is built, not before. Calm professionals don't avoid visibility because they fear being seen. They avoid it because they are building something worth seeing. By the time Tencent arrives, the work is already done. And the outcome is already decided.